Hey, what's up everyone? So your Onn Roku TV is refusing to connect to Wi-Fi? Don't worry, I've got you covered with some quick fixes that actually work. So this happens for a bunch of reasons. Could be your TV's cache is messed up, maybe you changed your Wi-Fi password, or sometimes it's just Roku being Roku, you know? The good news is we can usually fix this in like 5 minutes without calling tech support. Before we start, I need a favor to hit that like button and subscribe. That really helps the channel. Let's jump in. Number 1. The secret button combo. Alright, first thing, let's try the secret button combo. Yeah, Roku has this hidden trick that clears the cache. Grab your remote and do this. Press home 5 times, up arrow once, rewind twice, and fast forward twice. Your TV's gonna freeze for a sec, don't panic. Just wait like 15 to 30 seconds and it'll restart on its own. When it comes back up, try connecting to Wi-Fi again. This works like 70% of the time, I'm not even joking. Number 2. Power cycle everything. If that didn't work, let's do the classic power cycle. Unplug your TV from the wall. Not just turning it off with the remote, actually unplug it. While it's unplugged, hold the power button on the TV for like 30 seconds. This drains any leftover power. Now do the same with your router. Unplug it, wait 15 seconds, plug it back in, and wait for it to fully boot up. Then plug your TV back in and boom, try connecting again. Number 3. Network connection reset. Still not working? Let's reset the network settings. Go to Settings, then System, then Advanced System Settings, and you'll see Network Connection Reset. Hit that, select Reset Connection, and your TV will restart. When it comes back, it'll be like connecting for the first time. Just find your network, type in your password, and make sure you type it exactly right because it's case sensitive, and you should be good to go. Number 4. Last resort. If none of that works, there's one more thing: factory reset. I know, nobody wants to do this because you'll have to set everything up again. But sometimes it's necessary. Go to Settings, System, Advanced System Settings, and Factory Reset. You'll have to enter a code that shows up on screen. And that's it. One of these should get your Onn Roku TV back online. If you're still having issues after all this, honestly, it might be a hardware problem, and you should contact Onn support. Drop a comment if this helped you out, and I'll catch you in the next one.